Hello students, thank you for the great response to the smash surgery classes in 2018. A lot of students benefited from the classes and have been getting a lot of messages regarding the questions which were asked directly from the PDF of the smash surgery classes. In 2019, we finalized the calendar for the classes. I will be taking classes all over the country, and in 5 days I will be covering entire surgery, which would be important not only for the PG entrance exam but also for your college exams, MCI exams and USMLE exams. Also, postgraduates who are preparing for the super specialty exam would benefit from these classes. You can find the details on the website and the day-wise distribution of the topics. See you in 2019. Thank you.